Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing tutorial, I'm going to be drawing Goku from the Dragonball Z series. This is the second drawing of Goku I've done. I found a few images online, really like the look of a couple of them, so sort of tried to integrate a couple of them. As always, I freehanded the pencil drawing in, and then I used a FABER PITT pen to go over the lines. This is a really fine line permanent marker. It allows you to get great details. I thought I'd really focus on this video on the actual hair and the colours of this character. For the hair, I used a combination of greys and blacks. The left side of the character, as we're looking at it, is the shadowed area. So I went with a cool grey 1, 3, 5 and 7 and also a black. This makes the character look like it's got a bit more dimension to it, and it's probably the most shadowed anime character that I've done so far. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's got a very moody look to it. I did add a little trick towards the end of the video in the background, so stick around to the end so that you can see this special little trick that I use just to give this a little bit more of a moody look to it. If you're enjoying these types of videos and you're into anime, manga, cartoon drawing, any types of drawing tutorials really, then I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Click the notifications icon and that way that you'll be notified when I do drop a new video. And I'm currently, I'm glad to say, I'm doing daily videos. So I've been doing daily videos now since the late 2017. And it's sometimes a bit of a slog, but I'm really enjoying the variety of things that I'm drawing. I'm also doing request videos, so if you have a request of something you'd like me to draw, maybe there's something you'd like me to teach you how to draw, then leave me a comment down below. You can also get hold of me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. The links to all of my social media platforms are in the descriptions below, and it'd be really great to connect with you on there. Like I say, I'm doing daily requests, so send me them in down below in the comments. I added a comic panel background to this, which is the line that you can see going around the edge, the black line. I'm using a Sharpie pen for this. And what this comic background does, if you do leave part of the drawing overhanging, in this case I've left the hair, then you do get this pop out effect. I'm using a cool grey 5 in a Winsor & Newton marker now for the background. And the little trick that I've used is I'm leaving a little white area between the background and the character. And this just gives extra depth and dimension. That's my final finished picture of Goku. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you give it a try. I'd love to see them, so send me them over on social media. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.